Hello everyone, welcome to 3.11, Add and Subtract Money. The essential question is, how can the strategy Make a Table help you organize and keep track of your bank account balance? So here are the steps which you need to write down. First step is to highlight and circle the terms. What's the total amount that you start with? They're going to give you an amount that the person initially starts with, and then they're going to tell you what happens to that amount. Is money being taken away? Is it money being added? And that's the second step. What's being added or taken away? Sometimes it's both, which we'll see in the first example. And the third step is to make a table to organize your information and add or subtract or add and subtract to find your solution. So let's go ahead and get started, and if you need to pause and write that down, please go ahead and do so now. Hopefully you pause because we're getting straight into the first example, which, yes, you do need to write down. Okay, and if you need to pause and write that down, please do so now. So, at the end of May, Mrs. Freeman has a bank account balance of $442.37. Since then, she has written a check for $63, so I'm going to circle that in red because that's how much she's taking out of her account. And she makes a deposit of $350. I'm going to circle that in, highlight that in green because I know that that's what she's putting into her account. Freeman says she has $729.45 in her bank account. We don't know if that's true or not, and that's what they're asking us to find. We've got to make a table to determine, is she correct? So, we're going to make a table. Okay, this is going to be the initial total. I'm just going to call it IT, and that's $442.37. Okay, how much she takes out, and that's going to be $63.92. How much she deposits, and that's $350. And now we need to figure out the new total, which I'm going to put as NT. So this is our table, essentially, okay? And let's go ahead and take a look at it. And if you want to really make this a nice, organized table, you can just line up all your numbers, 442, 37, and then boom, you got a table right there. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to take away from this total the deposit, okay? Take that away right here. And then with that, we need to add, okay? So after we find the difference, we need to add the deposit, all right? So, and then we're going to get the new total. So when I say take away the deposit, I mean take away the check that she wrote, okay, which is right here, $63.92. So let's go ahead and write it down. She has $442.37, and she writes a check or takes away $63.92. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and solve this. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 9, well, 3 is smaller than 9, so you got to change that to 13. That changes to 1. 13 minus 9 is 4. Bring down your decimal. Well, 1 is smaller than 3, so once again you have to borrow here and make that 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 is smaller than 6 here, so you got to take away from the next one or borrow or regroup, and that changes to 13. 13 minus 6 is 7, and 3 minus nothing is 3. So we have $378.45. Now we need to add $350. 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 0 is 4, bring down your decimal, 8 plus 0 is 8, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry the 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 3 is 7. $728.45 is your total. Is Miss Freeman correct? No, she is not correct. Okay? So we went through the steps. We found out, okay, the new total is $728.45. It does not equal $729.45, so she's not correct. All right, let's go ahead and do the second example. If you have any questions about that, please make sure you write it down so we can go over it the next day. Example 2. Nick is buying juice for himself and 5 friends. Each bottle of juice costs $1.25. So first off, I'm going to highlight, it's going to be himself and 5 friends. Okay, himself and 5 friends, which is 6 people total. I'm going to put 6 up here so I know. Each bottle of juice is $1.25. How much do 6 bottles of juice cost? Make a table to determine the cost or find the cost of 6 bottles of juice. So we got $1.25, and that's just going to be 6 times. Okay? And that's going to be, we can just make a table like this. And we could say this is Nick, this is friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4, friend 5. Oh, there we go. And there's our table. Alright, so we can do this a couple ways. We can add 1.25 5 times, which we're going to do, or multiply it by 5, which I don't think we know how to do yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and add 1.25 plus 1.25. Okay? 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3, or 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Bring down your decimal. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we know 2 bottles are going to be 250. So we could do it this way. 250, 250, 250. Because we know every 2 bottles is going to be 250, and there's 6 bottles total. Let's keep it easy. Let's do that. Let's add 250 3 times instead of do 125 6 times. So 250 plus 250, okay? And if you need to write this down so you don't forget, pause and write this down, okay? I'm going to try and do this in another color. 250 plus 250 plus 250 is going to give us our final answer. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Carry the 1, bring down your decimal. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So we know it's going to be $7.50 for 6 bottles. Okay, let me go over what I did again. First, I found out how much is it for 125 plus 125. That got me $2.50. Well, I know since there's 6 people total, I can say, okay, well, I can just do 250 3 times, which is 6 divided by 2, right? These 2 will be 250, these 2 will be 250, and these last 2 will be 250. Knowing that, I can add that up, and that'll get me my total of $7.50. Alright, guys, if you have any questions, make sure you write it down. Hopefully this is making some kind of sense, but yes, if it doesn't make sense, please come see me. We'll go over it again, okay? A lot of it's just kind of unpacking what they're asking us to do. Don't forget your steps, okay? Don't forget the steps that they give you, or that I give you, okay? I want you guys to make sure you see what's the total. What are they asking you to do? And I'm going to go up there so you can see the steps one more time. Highlight, circle the terms. What's the total amount that you're starting with? Is something being added or something being taken away, or both? What's happening? Make a table, organize your information, and add and subtract to find your solution. As you saw with that second example, making a table actually helped organize my math, so I knew exactly what to do. And it made it a lot easier. Instead of adding 125 6 times, I did 250 plus 250 plus 250. Alright, have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.